and welcome to this video where we are going to take a look at this iFixit toolkit, and this one is the special one to repair smartphones. So we'll just take a look of all the tools that are here. Here is a little Primeknife. They'll go in between the parts that are held together with glue or something else. This one I have used, and on the smartphone that I use it on, it did scrape the inside paint off the screen, but elsewhere it's nice plastic. The blade also seems to hold up fine. Next we have this thing. Repair is normal, as they say, and again, a thing that you can put in between the electronics to pry them open, or you can use it to apply pressure on the electronics connectors to put them in place. Also, the inlay here, as you can see, there is blue foam underneath, and then the tool goes on top and you can't see the blue anymore because of the black that's surrounding it, so it's easy to see what tools you are missing. Also, here's the hole here, so you can access the tool easily. Nicely thought out. Here, this plastic cup to remove glass or whatever that you are trying to remove with a heat gun or something like that. I have used it once and it does work pretty nice. Strong, I think it's ABS plastic. Little branding here. Now the guitar picks, definitely one of the most useful items here. You get 6 of them. They all have the little branding here, and you can use them to shove between the screen and the body, for example, of a smartphone or something else. And because you got 6 of them, you can make a whole contour. They do scratch easily, as you can see, but it's only aesthetical inconvenience for the moment. Here we have the bits, all held in the foam. These are some of the best tips I've used on electronics. They're very small and precise, and also for the moment they've all held up fine. I have another kit of only the bits, and it's really nice to use them. Also the little engravings in the foam to show what bit goes where. Little SIM tool here that's round, so you can pop out the SIM tray an iPhone or whatever. Now the biggest letdown of this kit is this thing. I'll show you the actual. For comparison, this is the driver that comes with the bit kit here, and as you can see, it's metal. I think it's aluminium. Here there is a nice ball bearing, so it's really nice to use this on electronics. Nice branding, everything nice knurling here. However, this thing is like the same visual aesthetics. So on the Amazon page, you could be fooled. However, it's not metal, as you can see. It's some kind of rubber. There's 2 kinds of plastic here. So this is some matte plastic, and this is like a rubbery one. Here you can see the little contact here. Not really inspiring, to be honest. In the tip here, there seems to be a hexagonal inlay made out of metal, and the part has been put into plastic shell, so you can see the 2 materials here. So of course no bearing, so a lot less inspiring than the previous driver I showed you, so the metal one. This thing, it really feels like it can last for ages. This thing, I don't know. Not really a fan of what they did here, because they already have the facilities to make the better ones, so might as well give us the better one. But again, I guess if you want to only repair one smartphone screen, this will do the job to get access to the insides. Also, the tip is magnetic, so you won't lose the bit and the screws that you are trying to remove. But now let's move to the other tools. So here, some ESD tweezers. So ESD safe, iFixit branding, matte coating here. Really nice and precise. If you didn't have these before, definitely worth buying. Even if you don't want the kit, these are super useful when repairing electronics. You can put the wires very precisely and then solder. Really nice to have. And finally, this blue plastic tool here. So a little writing here. This tool is designed to break before your device does. So either it's some actual engineering or this is just weak. You'll have to see. Again, this little prying lever, I haven't used this one yet, but now we didn't talk about the case itself. So one thing I really like is there's this little magnet here and also on the other side. So the case goes on like this with the magnets. It stays on too. And to access the things inside, you just have to pull on the lid, and now when you are removing your screws, you can put them in these little trays here. And if, for example, you have to go somewhere, you can't finish the project, just put this on top, and now it's all one piece, and you don't have to be afraid of losing your bits. So that's one thing I really like about these cases. This one also has that feature. So yeah, this really nicely thought out of. Also the case is made out of some nice feeling plastic, and yeah, definitely a premium option when it comes to the electronics repair toolkits. It is expensive, but I feel like this is something that you can keep for a long time, especially if you are not using it every day. As I have both of these, I can definitely say that this one I have used a lot more, because there's all the different kinds of screwdriver bits that you can imagine, even the triangle ones. So when a manufacturer doesn't want you to go in somewhere with this thing, you can. Here it's only the bits that you would want on a smartphone, only the small ones. And for most people, I think this is sufficient enough. So thank you for watching my little review of the iFixit toolkit. I hope you liked it, and if that's the case, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself and your devices, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.